Streak CRM is a unique customer relationship management tool that integrates seamlessly with Gmail, allowing you to manage your customer interactions directly within your email inbox. From the moment you install the Streak extension, the setup is straightforward. The tool embeds into Gmail's interface, providing an intuitive and streamlined user experience. When you open Gmail after installation, you'll notice Streak's pipeline feature directly accessible. This is where you can manage sales leads, projects, or any workflow that requires tracking. Streak's flexibility allows you to customize these pipelines to suit your business needs. Each stage of the pipeline is fully editable, and you can add or remove stages as necessary. Point one of Streak's standout features is email tracking. It notifies you when recipients open your emails and how many times, giving you valuable insights into customer engagement. Additionally, the mail merge function allows you to send personalized emails in bulk, saving time while maintaining a personal touch. Another useful aspect is its ability to automatically categorize your emails into pipelines. This means you don't have to spend time manually sorting through messages. For collaboration, Streak supports sharing pipelines with your team, making it easy to coordinate efforts and ensure everyone is on the same page. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video to explore tools and resources that can further enhance your productivity. Streak also offers robust data analytics tools. You can generate reports on sales performance, email open rates, and team productivity, helping you make data-driven decisions. Its integration capabilities extend beyond Gmail, with support for platforms like Slack, Zapier, and Google Sheets, adding even more flexibility. While Streak is feature-rich, it's not without limitations. For example, some users may find the pricing tiers restrictive, as advanced features are only available in premium plans. Additionally, heavy users of CRM systems may find the Gmail interface too limiting for complex operations. Overall, Streak is an excellent tool for small to medium-sized teams or individuals who prioritize working within Gmail. It offers a good balance between simplicity and functionality, making it a worthwhile consideration for those in need of a streamlined CRM solution. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more reviews like this one. Thank you for watching.